What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to come to you today and share with you how the project is coming along with the 1974 Chevy Nova four-door. I know there's a lot of people out there that like the two doors, but I decided to work on a project with a four-door. As you can see through the timelines of each video, you can kind of see where I was trying out different things and trying to see what best fit this Nova. This time I decided to strip it all down, take it up to the House of Hot Rods in Mansfield, Texas, and allow them to do some great work. So a quick shout out to Mansfield House of Hot Rods. These guys are just excellent customer service, walk you through step by step, everything that they're going to do to the car. Look, not only did they paint my car, but they stripped it totally down, and I gave it to them in September. And they meticulously worked on it all the way up until now, and have done just a masterful a job of painting. They shaved my door handles, painted all of my inside as well, to make sure that there's no missed spots there. They tucked my bumpers for me, and that's not even including some of the other work that I've had mechanically done on the Nova. And so I'm just excited for what the result of it is. And now I'm far from finished. There are some other things that I'm going to be doing, and there's some videos that's coming up pretty soon. So I just hope you enjoy this video. To those of you that are out there that has a 74, 73, whatever year model four-door, those parts are oftentimes so extremely hard to find. I hope you can find that in these videos. You can see that there is a way to find these parts and be able to do what you need to do. So enjoy the videos, subscribe if you get the chance, click like. I would definitely appreciate it. Thank you.